Welcome to our video on incorporating anti-inflammatory smoothies into a balanced diet for optimal health. In this video, we will explore the benefits of anti-inflammatory smoothies and how they can contribute to better overall well-being. Join us as we uncover the secrets to a healthier and more vibrant life. Before we dive into the world of anti-inflammatory smoothies, let's take a moment to understand what inflammation is and how it affects our bodies. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to various health issues. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like fruits and vegetables into our diet, we can help reduce inflammation and promote better health. Now that we understand the importance of reducing inflammation, let's explore the benefits of anti-inflammatory smoothies. These refreshing drinks are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help fight inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of these smoothies can lead to reduced pain, improved digestion, increased energy levels, and a stronger immune system. To create effective anti-inflammatory smoothies, it's important to include key ingredients that are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Some examples include leafy greens like spinach and kale, berries rich in antioxidants, turmeric with its powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin, and healthy fats like avocado and chia seeds. These ingredients work together to create a delicious and health-boosting smoothie. Now that you know the key ingredients, let's dive into some delicious recipes for anti-inflammatory smoothies. We will share a variety of recipes that incorporate different ingredients and flavors, ensuring that you never get bored of your daily dose of health. From tropical fruit blends to refreshing green smoothies, you'll find a recipe to suit your taste buds and preferences. Incorporating anti-inflammatory smoothies into your diet is easy and can be done in various ways. You can have them as a refreshing breakfast option, a midday snack, or even as a post-workout recovery drink. With a blender and a few simple ingredients, you can create these vibrant and nutritious smoothies in the comfort of your own home. In conclusion, anti-inflammatory smoothies are a fantastic addition to a balanced diet for optimal health. By reducing inflammation in the body, they can help prevent and alleviate various health issues. So why wait? Start incorporating these delicious and nutritious smoothies into your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself.